From time immemorial, humans have built in order to protect themselves and their possessions. Today, it's the turn of buildings to help protect their environment. During the 1960s, we discovered that buildings can be sick with harmful components or lead or asbestos in walls and ductwork that pose a silent threat to their occupants. We also became aware of how important it is to insulate buildings to avoid wasting energy. This is true of industrial sites too, in terms of pollutant emissions, noise, and uncontrolled energy use. So when we build residential buildings, office buildings, and industrial sites, we need to preserve both the environment and the well-being of their occupants. Since that time, architects have been drawing on the principles of sustainability when they design and construct buildings. It was in the late 1960s that sustainable building was born. Given these circumstances, how can manufacturers ensure that their facilities worldwide are eco-designed to operate efficiently and effectively? It's a sizable challenge. The goal is to reduce the ecological footprint of industrial buildings, both as they are being built and throughout their lifespan, while ensuring that their occupants have the best possible working conditions. To do that, architects consider several sustainable building criteria. A green building is energy efficient thanks to its level of insulation, the direction it faces, its use of renewable energy, its heating and air conditioning systems, and its positive energy balance. Buildings are also eco-friendly if they reduce energy consumption and recycle their wastewater, if they optimize the quality of their sound insulation, and if they are accessible via public transport. And obviously, green buildings use materials and equipment that are friendly to people and the environment. So they'll make greater use of local suppliers, and they'll include materials such as wood that generate smaller amounts of carbon dioxide as they are produced. There's no doubt that eco-friendly buildings, and industrial sites in particular, require a bigger investment at the outset, but because they consume less energy, the operating, maintenance, and upkeep costs are reduced over time. Since these facilities are more comfortable and more efficient, thanks to improved ergonomics, they allow for better use of the workspace. There are several certification bodies that monitor compliance with these criteria. LEED certification from the US emphasizes the environmental issues posed by eco-construction, while France's HQE certification is more concerned with the comfort of those using the building, and the UK's BREEAM considers both these criteria equally. By constructing eco-friendly buildings, companies play a major role in promoting sustainable development within the economy.